Fergus and MYOB seamlessly integrate to optimize both your job management and financial processes. While they serve distinct roles, they complement each other perfectly to enhance efficiency and workflow. So, what's the difference? Fergus is a job management software built for tradespeople. It helps you quote, track jobs, schedule work, log timesheets, and invoice customers all in one place. With Fergus, you get full visibility over job costs, job progress, and profitability. MYOB is a cloud-based accounting software that looks after the financial side of your business. It does more than just managing your invoice payments. It also takes care of expenses, payroll, financial reporting, and tax obligations. Fergus handles your jobs from start to finish, while MYOB takes over once the invoice is approved, managing payments, accounts, and financials. Together, they create a seamless, stress-free workflow for your business. Fergus manages job workflows and sends both customer and supplier invoices to MYOB. MYOB processes invoice payments and syncs the updates back to Fergus. And customer records stay in sync. Existing customers from MYOB appear in Fergus, while new customers in Fergus are added to MYOB when their first invoice has been sent. With Fergus and MYOB together, you'll cut out manual data entry, improve accuracy, and keep your business paperless. Before you use the integration, you'll need to complete the setup. Check out our guide on how to do this, and if you aren't sure what settings to select, we recommend speaking to your accountant as they'll be able to help. Once the setup is complete, you can import customers from MYOB into Fergus. This is usually done once during setup. Then any new customers created in Fergus automatically sync to MYOB when the first invoice is sent. In Fergus, you'll be quoting and adding costs to jobs as you go. When you're ready, you can generate an invoice in seconds, either from the quote or based on the costs added to the job. Your invoice will show icons for labour sales and material sales, making it easy to see what's what. Once you approve the invoice, it automatically syncs to MYOB, using the account codes you select during setup. To find these invoices in MYOB, go to Sales, Invoices, and you'll see the Fergus customer invoices automatically synced. Now, let's talk about adding payments to invoices in MYOB. If you've set up MYOB bank feeds, bank transactions will appear in MYOB, making reconciliation easy. Go to Banking, Bank Transactions, and click the Match or Categorize drop-down next to the invoice you wish to reconcile. Tick off the matching invoice and click Save. When you're happy with all the matches, click Reconcile Account. You can also manually import bank statements if you haven't set up bank feeds. Your other option is to add a manual payment to the invoice. Go to Sales, Invoices, open the invoice, and click Record Payment in the top right. Enter the details, click Save, and you're all done. Now, let's talk about supplier invoices. In Fergus, you'll be asked if you want to send the supplier invoice or credit to MYOB when you're assigning it to a job. Once sent, head to Purchases, Bills in MYOB to find these supplier invoices. To reconcile these with your bank transactions, go to Banking, Bank Transactions, and repeat the same reconciliation process as with your customer invoices. If you need to add a payment manually, go to Purchases, Bills, select the invoice, scroll down, and click Record Payment. Fill in the details, click Save, and you're all set. And that's it! With Fergus and MYOB working together, you'll save time on manual data entry, keep everything in one place, and ensure every invoice and expense is accounted for.